Bloody hell, that escalated quickly. Thunder, lightning, hail. Having a great time.
This world that was my surroundings, my heart screamed out for more. It's the storm inside that's breaking my heart each moment while it keeps it going. It's been driving my life into both joy and sorrow, and there's still a long way to go.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Come out this Saturday morning with another YouTuber, Russell Jackson. Followed him for quite some time. We were supposed to meet up. He first reached out to me about a year ago when I first started this channel, and today we were supposed to go wild camping, but the weather's looking particularly nasty. So we said we'd just come for a day hike. Never been to Cwmorthin before, but it's an absolutely fantastic location. Just the history that's around here with the mining, these old buildings. So we walked up from the car about 9:30, it's about 11 o'clock now. I haven't really vlogged on the way up, but I took some record shots, which I'll put on the screen at the end. But yeah, as it's my first sort of visit here, I'm not expecting anything great today. It is quite wet, it is quite windy, but we are getting little pockets of light. So yeah, there's potential for some photos. But today really for me is more of a recce and just to get out with the camera and yeah, see what we find. But also great to meet another vlogger, Russell. He's a fantastic photographer and does a lot of film photography as well. So he's a proper photographer, not like me. So I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. But I hope you enjoy watching this, and I'll give you an update as soon as I've had a coffee and a bite to eat. Unfortunately, I've been a bit of an idiot and forgot to turn my microphone on. What I was actually trying to say here was I recently won this water bottle. It's a Super Sparrow water bottle, and I won it through watching a channel I've been watching for a while now, which is Dave Outdoors. He specialises really in wild camping and recently started doing a lot of van life videos. So if that's something you're interested in, I do highly recommend you go and watch his channel. There's some really useful tips and advice on there, as well as a good bout of humour thrown in as well. If you like that sort of content, definitely go and check Dave out. I'll put a link to his videos in the description below. Anyway, back to the video. Right, quick pit stop, had a bit of a drink, had a little quite quick bite to eat, and we're going to head up onto that ridge over there where there's some where there's some clins. And apparently good views looking over towards, I think towards Porthmadog. He's not listening to me. I think it's towards Porthmadog anyway. So I'm going to head up that way. It's a little bit steep, so I might not give you an update till we get to the top. Bloody hell, that escalated quickly. Thunder, lightning, hail. Having a great time. Well, that was exciting. Just got caught in a bit of a thunderstorm on the way up to this absolutely beautiful glen. I think it's man-made because there's a dam just over here. But yeah, it certainly gets the heart racing when you're on top of a mountain, you've got thunder and lightning around you. But we made it. Russell's just heading up that way. I'm going to follow him up across that ridge. And I think there should be some views over towards, as I say, Porthmadog. So yeah, a bit out of breath. I've not been in the mountains for a while, so excuse me. But Going to go and catch Russell up now. I just grabbed a quick photo of the clean and the dam with the mountains in the background. There were some really dark, moody clouds. It's quite a nice image, and it just had a touch of light on the immediate mountains here. So that one's only good. I'll pop it on the screen at the end. I put all the photos I'll take today at the end today, because I think it's been one of those days where I haven't really got time to talk you through the compositions. So yeah, just come along with me on the journey. I do hope you enjoy it, and I'll put the photos up at the end. Oh wow, look at those views. Right out to Porthmadog. Russell over there. Say hi, Russell. There's a little clean down here. This is absolutely bloody beautiful. Just a quick piece to camera. We've got a massive rainstorm coming in, as you can probably see behind me. I've just been taking a bit of a quick shot of these clins and Knicht just over there, looking out towards Porthmadog as well. Should make quite an interesting image, especially with that stormy sky behind us. The temperature's dropped loads as well, and the wind's really picked up. So if these turn out any good, I'll put them on the screen at the end. But yeah, I'm not sure what we're doing now. Just going to brave out the weather, I think, and see what else we find. Anyway, give you an update soon. And the storm is back. It's looking super moody, but we're going to stick it out, because one thing I've learned over the years is after a squall like this, you can get some absolutely stunning light. So it's worth just sitting it out, get wrapped up in your waterproofs, and then see what happens with the light afterwards. Russell's just down there, getting nice and wet. The wind's now picking up, and we've got a bit of hail as well. This is fantastic. Oh, this is brutal. Still, I wouldn't be anywhere else. This is fantastic. Okay, I think we're going to call it for this particular area. The storms came through. We had a touch of blue light for a moment. Took a quick pano, a handheld pano. But as you can probably see behind me, it's just completely clagged in. I think it's going to be for quite some time now. So we're going to start heading back down, and hopefully see if we can find some images on the way back. But I'm definitely coming back to this location. It's absolutely stunning. Just imagine this scene in the snow. These pools, just nice bright blue colours. I think it looked absolutely epic. So let's start heading back down, see if we can grab some more images on the way down. I'm not sure if you can hear me because the winds are atrocious, but we've come down this, what tram line is it called? Croesor tram line. Croesor tramway, not tram line. Beautiful views out over that way. Just stopped and took some photos of this little stream down here, and the waterfall just over here. Not sure they're any good, but well, you're here, you've got to take a shot, haven't you? But yeah, this is stunning. But the winds have really picked up. Absolutely brutal. So we're going to walk down. I'm not sure what's down this way. I'll give you an update when we get to the end. Russell has just gone across this down here. Can you see it? Now, I'm terrible with heights, so there's no chance I'm going across that. But still, quite happy to stand here and take photos of that view down there. It's absolutely stunning. Anyway, I think we're done for this bit. We're going to head back to the sort of the main mine bit now and see what happens from there with the weather. Have to excuse the wind again, but come to this old slate tip, which is absolutely massive. And you just look down the edge there, and it's basically almost a vertical drop. But the views are spectacular. If we had the right light at the moment, I think we could get some great images, but it's gone really flat and really clagged in. But still, fantastic. I think we're probably pretty much done now. But yeah, we're going to start heading back down, I think. And I'll give you an update when we get back to the car in case anything changes, which is not looking likely. All right, back to the car. What a fantastic day. I really enjoyed it despite the weather, to be honest with you. Sorry to all of you watching, it's been a bit frantic and I've kind of been all over the place. But when you get weather like that, that's kind of just how it is when you're out doing landscape photography. So trying to keep it as real as possible. Don't think I came away with any particularly great images, but it was just fun exploring a whole new area, meeting another landscape photographer. Yeah, absolutely loved it. So anyway, I'm going to put the photos I got today at the end. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. And yeah, I think that's it from Cwmorthin. So I'll definitely be back here very soon, hopefully. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you soon.